Hello, my wonderful glam gazers. This is Kathy again. I'm glad that you could stop by. I hope you're going to enjoy today's video. It's going to be all about the Luxury Divas for 2020 June. So before we begin, if you're new to my channel, I'd really appreciate a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the share. And you know what? Feel free to leave comments below. I hope you enjoy this video. If you're not aware of Luxury Divas, it is a fashion and style monthly subscription. It's about $30 a month if you sign up for, several months in advance. And if it's a one-time box, it's $35. It has free shipping in the United States, and it's very friendly, low cost for internationally. So let's jump on board and let's go and see what we got in this month's box. I am really excited. I just got it and I just love this. As you know, I'm really excited about it. So here's the box. It comes out with a little, item here, which I really appreciate because now, subscription boxes are not really giving you the little card anymore. But here's the presentation. Really like it. Look at that, all bundled up, Luxury Divas. It is just the cutest thing in the world. I just love when I stumbled on this and I signed up for it. I just was in awe. So anyways, we get a little card and it says, "Hello Kathy, you're going to really like this June box. I thought last month's box was fun, but this one blows it out of the park. Enjoy and have a very happy summer. Love, Marina." And this is one of the curators that sends this little card. It's really cute. They're all personalized. I think it's just those little touches that make a big difference. So let's open it up. Got the plastic wrap off. So first up, I have, oh, I love these. Let me see if I have my scissors. Here they are. These are headbands. These are the red print pack crisscross headbands. So let me take this off. It's from the brand Luxury Divas. So let me get them out. I love these, especially when you're working or it's hot. And look at this. It has the nice little crisscross and it goes across and it's a nice headband. I love it when it's hot or when you're working around the house or just want to relax and have some red and white. So I think that's really great. And you know what? Sometimes you just want that hair off your face and doing makeup or whatever. Next up, look at this one. Oh, and by the way, those are $18 for the 2-pack. Then look at this, a face mask. That is cute as a bug. Look at this. There it is. And this is the black and white heart fashion mask. Protect yourself and those around you, but finally in style. This is $13. So it has a little bit of, little hearts on it. Kind of cute. I'm liking it. Let's see. Here's the outside. So here you are. And you know what? It works. You know what? Why not be fashionable nowadays? We have to have them all the time. So this is going to come in handy. Next up I have, ooh, look at this right here. These are the L'Oreal Color Riche Lip Gloss 2-pack. And these are in 2 colors. Let's see. It doesn't say. It is $22. Let me get them out of the little package here. And you know what? I just think the way she does this stuff is just so wonderful. It kind of puts everything in, it's all coordinated. This is in Color Riche Lip Gloss. Let's see, was there any colors? I don't see that. So I can't read the second one, but it's color number 300. And then this one is 520, which is a soft mauve. And look at these colors. Those are really pretty. Look at those. So that's a really cute, and this is $22. So I'm liking this, I just love the coordination of it at all. Oh, look at this. This is, let's see, a pink and gold jet set travel kit with case. Travel in style. The set includes a pair of warm fuzzy socks, comb, toothbrush, pen, earphones, tissues, and a sleep mask. Wow, $20. That'd be great for traveling, especially when, you're on the plane or a train or in between. So you got the little tissues, you got the foldable brushy comb thing. Look at this. They're not kidding, actual earphones. And then they have the little earplugs too. And you know, it just keeps on giving. And then it has a toothbrush, and it has a pen, and oh my gosh, look at these socks. Oh my gosh. When I like to travel internationally and you're on the plane for God knows, 10, 12, 15 hours, these come into play. And you know what? This is a great little pouch. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Now, is that a travel case or what? I have never seen anything like this. This is color coordinated. It's everything you possibly need in here, except maybe toothpaste, but I think, this is pretty dang good. And I think this is compact in the whole package. I think this is just amazing. And you know what? This is the greatest little accessory, especially for the summertime. Especially if you're going to the beach and you're not going to be able to go home to freshen up, that would be fun too. So next up, there's always a piece of clothing in here, and this is from Sofra. Let me see if I can open this up. Let's see. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. This is a nice jersey slip dress. Isn't that nice? It's a nice maxi. Look at this all the way down. And let's see, it's it's activewear from Sofra, S-O-F-R-A. Look at this. Right there's so this is cool. Look at this, nice and jersey. Look at this, nice black. Oh my goodness. And it's a nice maxi, which I love during the summertime, especially, when it's so hot. You just want to just be flowy and all that. And sometimes you just, it's just comfortable. And this would be great with a nice shrug or a nice little t-shirt underneath. Oh, there goes the girls. The herd of turtles as they go. And then the last piece right here. Oh, and this dress is $29. It comes in black and gray. I got the black one. It's very lightweight. So here's the last. And this is a black and white heart fashion. A gold tone 3-layer rhinestone star dangle anklet. Starry charms and dangles lead to a celestial twinkle in this 3 set of anklets that can be worn on their own or together and stacked together. This is $18. So let me see if I can get this open. Because it takes me forever and a day to get stuff open these days. So I'm just going for the gusto. So wow, look at these. 3 of them. There's one. Here's the second one. Look at that. It has all the little dangles on it. And then here's the last one. Really cute. And this one has the little celestial with the little, falling down rainbow thing. This is really adorable. So I hope you, this is kind of an interesting box. I really like it. And you know what? I think it gets better every month, and it's well coordinated. And this is supposed to have a value of $117. And this is the June 2020 edition, the June Breeze. So just to sum up, I've got the anklets for, let's see, it's $18. We've got the little travel case. Look at this. This is $20. Then we have the mask, which is reusable, which I think is cute as a bug. And this one is $13. We've got the headbands, and that is $18. Then we have the lip glosses, which are $22. And then don't forget the dress that's $29. So I think I got my money's worth, and I'm a happy, happy camper. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell below, and I'd really appreciate it. And you know what? You have a fabulous day, and see you next time. Bye-bye.